So today I want to talk about this vacuum from Makita. It's really nice thing, but if you change the setting here, because here is really thick, so if you put on it, when you think the airflow be too quickly, or if you use this adapter, go to this kind of pipe, and the airflow is not too quick, hitting is stuck here on going to give it its noise, beep beep. So this is the first thing. And the second thing I understand, it's a auto clean, but it's not mean. Hear that? You heard that, right? So the auto clean is not like Festool or kind of different company. They clack 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 and this dust come down. They have a two filter on it. So they have a two filter on it. So I talked today with Makita because I asked him, should I use this kind of things between my work too, or because my logic said don't use that, because if you have a dust on it, on for example in case from Festool, they knack and that knack and the dust come down and start to vacuum again. So between this, I don't know, 1 second or less or more, the vacuum in Festool on 1 second not vacuum going, so vacuum stopped, they knack on it, the dust come down and again going to run to vacuum. So if you see something YouTube, you didn't really hear that, because they want to just talk about nice thing about the vacuum, don't talk about some problem or how noisy is that. I work with the Festool, it's really loud. So this clack is really loud, seriously loud. So this one is work different. If you remember this old Makita, so with directly electricity, not with the battery, have some function. If you put on this button, look at that, the air normally he sucked the air to this way, so the dust come on it. If it was not more, so the airflow was not really good after, I don't know, you work with some dust, you haven't pushed the button, the airflow was another way. It's not from out to in, from in to out, the dust come down. This one, it's the advanced form from this old generation. I don't know, because of patent, I don't know why. So I think it's maybe better. I going to work, this is really new, I buy it about 2 weeks. And this auto clean is not too loud. On this work like this, I talked to them and he explained me how to work, because I guess how it should be a work, and he confirmed that. It's like this, he suck all of the time from this side, on the air from in come out here. So it means if the dust here come out, on suck from this side, and then he change, then they suck from here and come the air from here out. All of the time is a change between two, so the air don't really stop to sucking, so all of the time sucking in, but the change between two. On the one, if this sucked, on the air come here out and dust come down. So I asked him if use this is not make sense, because if you use, if you use something like that with a normally vacuum, the dust come on this, so kind of wall and that, when everything is full, and if this thing is changed, what is matter to them, because there is full. Sometimes if I have a normally so old vacuum, I opened it and push down together kind of this, does the dust fall down, so I do auto clean manually. So in this kind, in my old vacuum, I push it that and I crash that together, the dust come down, I use it again. If I use this, it not make sense, but he said Makita prefer with seriously dusty thing that we use in Germany. We call that Beutel. So use this one on this one together in the same time. I'm going to test today. So another things about this pipe. Unfortunately I buy the pipe today is arriving. So look at that. This pipe, it's I buy on this pipe from Makita. It's really soft, this one. So on you see here is more, is not like this. Look at that. The right one is mine, what I buy. This one is original from Makita. On this is another way. So the ring here around them. On this way is it to right. So Makita is to right. This one what I buy is to left. It means I can't use this on Makita system, unfortunately. So I show you why exactly what I mean. So where is the adapter here? Very interesting. This here, you don't damage this. You can see here. Look at that. You see? So now it's vacuum from both side. You see, sometimes this, sometimes this. So he changed all of between this. I think he don't go. You see that? What happened? So that's going to happen all of the time. So I'm waiting again. It's an auto clean. So